What's up everybody? So in today's video I'm going to do a quick review of the new recirculation valves I installed on the GTR. So this is from AAM Competition. This is their upper intercooler kit with Tial Recirculation valves. So you can see we got the black powder coated pipes looking really clean. They look great with the AAM air intake I have that's also powder coated black. I went with the red valves just so it matched the engine cover. So I think overall the engine has a really good look to it. Installation was fairly simple. The hardest thing was just wedging the pipe in there because you want to put the couplers on this pipe before you put it actually in the car. So I had to get it onto one side and then really push it and squeeze it to get it into this side. So a little bit challenging getting it into place, and then of course you got to wiggle it around so it fits nicely. So they're pretty even, they line up very nicely. I think overall the engine bay looks great with them. Like with any stock Recirc valve, they're slightly leaky compared to an upgraded one. These ones are going to hold the boost a little bit better, and if I end up tuning the car for more power, these are going to do way better than the stock ones. Now one thing I had talked about when I installed these was, should I have gone with the vent to atmosphere? Well, it turns out I made the right choice going with Recirc. Apparently the GTR is actually tuned for recirculation, so if they were venting to atmosphere, the car actually would not run correctly. And when you guys saw that, I capped off the Recirc hoses. So these hoses I actually took off and capped them to make the Recirc portion literally vent to atmosphere. The car actually did not run that well. It ran pretty good for a little while, and then within about 10 minutes it started idling a little weird. Downshifts, it would just be jerky and extremely weird. So the car really is not set up for a vent to atmosphere with the stock tune. So I made the right decision going with Recirc. You do get better performance with it since they're putting all the pressurized air right back in front of the turbos. However, when I end up tuning the car, when I do the downpipes, I can always swap these out for the vent to atmosphere and have it all tuned like that. So that is something I could do in the future, but definitely made the right choice. So now I'll show you a few of the sound comparison between the stock system and this system. It is slightly better sounding than the stock ones. I'm not sure if it's all going to come off on camera or not, but as far as the driver goes, I can hear a little bit more sounds, especially with the windows down. It has a little bit more aggressive sound given that the piston that's inside of here is much larger than the one in the stock one, so it's a little bit more violent. Guys, that is a quick review of the recirculation valve kit that I did on the GTR. Overall, I like it a lot. It looks fantastic in the engine bay. It really cleans it up. I love how AAM custom powder coated the pipes. That looks fantastic, matching the cold air intake I have on it. And you can actually pick the different Recirc valve colors, so that's really cool. You have that versatility of picking out the colors and everything like that. It's kind of hard to feel the performance difference just because the car is fast enough already the way it is stock. So it's not like I'm going to feel a crazy difference in the way the boost is reacting. You can just tell that the response is just slightly better. It's very small to notice, of course, when tuning the car, that's when these would really shine. So that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a quick one, but I just wanted to do a quick review of the system. I like it. It looks awesome. It performs very well. And one more thing, AAM will be hooking up all of our subscribers with a discount on all of their parts. All the Nissan sports cars, they have parts for you guys. Just send them a call or send them a direct email. Mention the channel. You guys will get a good discount. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a huge thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. See you all next video.